Number 1. Car phone holder.
A car phone holder is a device designed to securely hold a smartphone while driving. It typically consists of a mount that can be attached to the car's dashboard, windshield, or air vent, and a cradle or clamp to hold the phone in place. The benefits of using a car phone holder are numerous. Firstly, it provides a safe and convenient way to access your phone's features while driving, such as using GPS navigation, making hands-free calls, or playing music. By keeping your phone within your line of sight, it helps minimize distractions and promotes safer driving. Additionally, a car phone holder keeps your phone stable and prevents it from sliding around or falling, protecting it from damage. It also helps to declutter the car interior by providing a dedicated space for your phone, freeing up valuable storage space. Overall, a car phone holder enhances convenience, safety, and organization while on the road. Number 2. Bluetooth FM transmitter.
A Bluetooth FM transmitter is a device that allows you to wirelessly connect your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled devices to your car's audio system via FM radio frequencies. It enabling you to stream music, podcasts, or phone calls directly from your device to your car speakers. It provides a cost-effective and easily accessible solution for hands-free calling and audio streaming, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content while driving. Number 3. Car dash cam. A car dash cam is a small video recording device typically mounted on the dashboard of a vehicle. It is designed to capture and record video footage of the road ahead while driving. Car dash cam provide a valuable record of events in case of accidents or disputes, serving as reliable evidence for insurance claims or legal proceedings. Additionally, they can capture memorable moments during road trips or scenic drives with enhancing safety and security on the roads. Number 4. Car vacuum cleaner.
A car vacuum cleaner is a portable cleaning device designed specifically for cleaning the interior of vehicles. It is a compact and lightweight tool equipped with a suction mechanism and attachments that allow for efficient removal of dust, dirt, crumbs, and other debris from various surfaces inside a car, such as seats, carpets, floor mats, and crevices. It helps maintain a clean and hygienic environment inside the vehicle, ensuring a pleasant and comfortable driving experience.
Number 5. Car jump starter. A car jump starter is a portable device designed to provide a power boost to a vehicle's dead or weak battery, allowing it to start. It consists of a powerful battery pack, jumper cables, and various safety features. The main benefit of a car jump starter is its ability to rescue a stranded vehicle without the need for another vehicle or access to traditional jumper cables. It provides a convenient and reliable solution in emergency situations, such as when a battery dies unexpectedly or when assistance is not readily available. Car jump starters are compact and easy to carry, making them suitable for roadside emergencies or outdoor activities. Additionally, many modern jump starters come with additional features like USB ports for charging mobile devices and built-in flashlights, further enhancing their usefulness. Number 6. Portable car air compressor.
This thing is an air compressor that works on your car. Let me show you how it works. You hold it for 3 seconds to turn it on, and then you push down on this thing to pull out the hose. Then you screw the hose into this little piece right here, and get your tire ready to accept the air. You set the PSI. And then you twist it on so that you get a snug fit. Now it reads out the PSI currently. And you press the power button to start the charging.
Number 7. Car seat covers.
Find the headrest opening on the front cover and position it over the seat as shown. Ensure that the airbag tag is lined up on the appropriate side. Begin by removing the headrest from your front seats. Next, slide the top portion of the seat cover over the seat back. You can tuck excess fabric underneath any headrest posts to help keep things in place. Continue fitting the top half of the cover before reaching the pull bar at the seat. The push bar must be inserted deep between the seat and back portions to ensure a nice and taut fit once the seat covers are fully installed on your vehicle. Continue fitting the rest of the seat cover by wrapping it over the bottom portion of your seat. Then, locate the 2 elastic straps located along the sides. These must be wrapped around the bottom side of your seat before connecting to one another. At this point, you can proceed to reinsert the headrest back into the seat before covering the headrest with the headrest cover. And there you have it. Your new seat covers are ready for your next trip.